And as you can see, everyone is legal in this match. You can pin any opponent at any time, making this match aptly called a tornado match.
Dorothy, we are not in Kansas anymore. Oh, man. An inverted scoop slam.
Hard punch.
He's looking a little battered now.
Oh, hard boy. Right to the jaw. These two battling to their heat with these reversals. Oh, jaw shatter.
And in a no disqualification match, you never want to be the one on the wrong end of a chair or kendo stick.
Yeah, but if you are, that might just get the blood pumping. Might just get you fired up to start dishing out even more punishment to your competition.
And he retaliates. No count out as he... Will this be enough? Kick out by Kairi. The ref hasn't even started counting.
Still a ways to go in this match based on that.
Oh, Dad. Locked and loaded.
Put in the corner now.
There it is. Reversal.
This timing with that swing, boy. Goodness. Vicious back fist on target.
He connects with a counter. Oh, God. Face first. Stop to the gut.
Kick to the body. Oh, dear. This doesn't look good.
Alley-oop. Look out. Crashing to the floor.
Crashing and burning and maybe to the sky.
Oh, God. Terrible landing on the outside.
You risk it all, and this is the cost. We might have to end this right here.
Time to back up as the announce desk gets cleared off.
Oh, to the arm. Terrible. At this stage, the damage is really mounted.
Oh, he's in a bad way now. All he can do is keep going. Try to ignore the pain.
Body catches them off guard.
DDT!
He's looking for something. This could get dangerous.
Ready to put that kendo stick to good use, I'm sure of that.
Kairi Sane.
Quick thinking right there.
He's struggling to fight out of this submission. And releasing her submission attempt.
A complete stalemate of reversals here. Neither one giving an inch. Driven down with an elbow to the heart.
And Sane telling the crowd to watch her.
Discus punch. She keeps on talking, but is she actually going to deliver? This could be for the win. And she thwarts the pin attempt in one.
Shows that this is still anybody's match at this point.
Forearm connects dead center of the face.
And this one might be headed ringside.
She knows what an important equalizer the kendo stick can be.
Back and forth, blow after blow. The sheer resilience we're witnessing here is incredible. And now he's headed out of the ring.
Destroyer!
Oh, using that barricade with great effect.
Oh, man, look at this. Boom!
Vicious sidewalk slam.
And she reversed it.
Got by the bottom full force.
Ooh, walloped by a huge club.
Destroyer!
Nice running crossbody.
Sliding back in under the ropes here.
Landing the crossbody.
She's had a lot thrown her way already.
Sane making that look almost effortless.
Kairi Sane looking to lock in his submission. There it is. The anchor has dropped.
She releases the hold, ending the submission. Oh, great counter and a cover. And that's a thrilling victory.
the team of Kairi Sane and Junkyard Dog.
And here is the winning team of this exciting Tornado Tag match.
These women exceeded all expectations here tonight. A couple of real pros.